Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify foundation issues using Inspectify, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have access to Inspectify's platform. Create an account if you haven't done so already. Log in to your Inspectify account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Select the option for foundation inspections. Choose the property type you are inspecting. Input the property address for accurate data retrieval. Select the type of inspection you want to conduct. Read through the instructions to understand the process. Begin by examining the exterior of the home. Look for visible cracks in the foundation. Check for uneven surfaces around the property. Inspect the ground sloping to see if it directs water toward the foundation. Next, move to the interior of the house. Open doors and windows to check for ease of movement. Look for signs of cracks on interior walls. Pay attention to any gaps between walls and ceilings. Take photos of any concerning areas for your records. Use the Inspectify tool to document your findings. Complete the checklist provided by Inspectify as you go. Review the data collected during your inspection. After finishing your assessment, generate the report. Ensure that you thoroughly analyze all details in the report. If issues are identified, consider consulting a professional. Save your findings for future reference. Evaluate your options for addressing any foundation problems. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.